Assalamualaikum, makan kita mayo. Sila ko ang ginamos na hipon, lentil with kalabasa, and prawns. Unya kung kanon guys, akong sudan mo na ginamos na hipon, lentil with kalabasa, and hipon. Pasayan. Thank you for watching. 1 million viewers. Bye.